Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer BNB from Binance Exchange to your Web3 wallet in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance application and then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have a Binance account yet, you can just use the link that is given in the description to earn extra sign-up bonuses. So once you are inside your Binance account, tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you need to just scroll down and select BNB. Over here, tap on the option of send in the bottom, then select the on-chain withdraw option here in the bottom. Over here, you need to add the address which you are going to get from your Web3 wallet. Then in the network, select BNB. After that, in the amount, simply enter the amount and press withdraw here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once your transaction is completed, you are going to receive your BNB from your Binance exchange to your Web3 wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.